Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to do evolution in Clash Royale. Card evolution is a powerful mechanic that grants specific cards unique, enhanced abilities. To unlock an evolution for a card, you'll need to collect a certain number of evolution shards. Once unlocked, the evolved version of that card will automatically replace its regular counterpart in your deck, ready to be deployed in battle. It's a game changer for many strategies. Obtaining evolution shards is key to enhancing your deck. You can regularly find these valuable shards in the season shop, which refreshes every month, offering new opportunities. Keep an eye on the in-game shop as well, where shards might be available for gems or through special real money offers. Additionally, participating in various challenges and special events often rewards players with evolution shards, so make sure to check those out. Activating your evolved cards in battle is quite straightforward. Once you have an evolved card in your deck, you'll need to cycle through your cards a specific number of times before its evolved form becomes available. Most evolved cards require 1 or 2 cycles. After meeting this cycle count, the very next time you play that particular card, it will appear in its powerful evolved state, ready to unleash its special ability. To truly master evolutions, strategic integration is crucial. Select evolutions that perfectly align with your deck's core win condition and your preferred playstyle. Always consider the elixir cost and the required cycle count of your evolved cards to time their deployment perfectly. Don't hesitate to experiment with different evolved cards and combinations. Discovering new synergies can significantly boost your competitive edge and lead to more victories.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.